Thanks, Coast Guard. This is the sailing vessel TNT. I'd like a radio check. Over. Roger. Happy Life Ground 16. Thanks very much.
Well, I was rolling by myself down in Memphis, Tennessee, and I was looking for a guy, had a mullet and no teeth, and I was tripping on some acid little Latino gave to me. Yeah, I was smoking morphine till it knocked me off my feet. Then I got some mates from my old Uncle Pete, and now I'm starting to feel like I might have OD'd on an overdose of drugs, overdose of sin. I'm gonna live it to the fullest like I'm on 10, and I love getting high. I hate being low, and I like to drive my truck down a muddy dirt road, and I'm working real hard, trying to get paid, cause I'm a crazed country rebel, and I'm drifting state to state. Somehow I made it up to Texas with a crawler full of grass, and I'm seeing all these pigs who wanna bust my ass, and I'm always living hard, always smoking weed, and now I'm hanging out in Texas drinking mushroom tea, and I fucked up on the floor, and I think I know why. It must have been some of that Boone County moonshine, and an overdose of drugs, overdose of sin. I'm gonna live it to the fullest like I'm on 10, and I love getting high. I hate being low, and I like to drive my truck down a muddy dirt road, and I'm working real hard, trying to get paid, cause I'm a crazed country rebel, and I'm drifting state to state. Tried to get myself in line, cause the ceiling's talking to me and the pistol's flushing fire. That's why they call me full throttle. I like a good time, it all started at a bar with a friend of mine. Well, she had to hook me up, she said she'd blow my mind, and I've been up for 4 days, so cut me out another line of an overdose of drugs, overdose of sin. I'm gonna live it to the fullest like I'm on 10, and I love getting high. I hate being low, and I like to drive my truck down a muddy dirt road, and I'm working real hard, trying to get paid, cause I'm a crazed country rebel, and I'm drifting state to state.